For that, let's look at the rough overview you get here via the Endpoints feature. As I said, each OC level is presented on a different tab. For example, here the hardware address are shown, which hardware address were part of the trace. Normally we focus on the IP addresses. So we see here all the IP addresses which were communicating during the recording time. Or one layer above, the TCP level. We see here who was doing traffic based on TCP and who was doing traffic based on UDP. And as I said, easily we can find the top talkers here. For example, if we sorted on packets, we see here the first IP address was involved with the highest amount of packets. And also on the transmit category. The same IP address is at the top. So this was somebody who's talking a lot. Let's have a look at the UDP side. Same thing here. Also in UDP, the same IP address was top talker. Here you have something interesting, a fancy IP address. 255.255.255.255, which represents a broadcast. So we have a lot of broadcast traffic within this capture. So this is one conclusion out of this trace. So here we see all the UDP traffic.